Hey Joey, what are you playing?
Don't you know this? This is universal remote control. Almost everyone in your gym have one.
Oh really? How you work?
When you have an annoying classmate, you can use this mute button. Yeah.
Hey dude, what are you guys doing here?
Oh good. Hey Gavin. He have amazing things, so let's try it.
OK，我们讲考试。
最近怎么样？考试？
考得还不错吧？下周还有一个搜球考试，没办法。
那边那个人有个在那边写作业，我们吵死他，是不是
What? These guys are annoying. How can I stop it? Wow, I can use this remote control. First, I use this red point target and what? Target and I press this mute button. Yeah. Yeah.
Start. Let's talk about foundations of our government. Before the appearance of Europeans, Aboriginal people use many methods of decision making.
Oh,
and
so
power
boring.
sharing.
Social class.
Yeah, you can use this remote control to control your teacher.
Oh really? Let me try.
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah.
The price of remote control was
$1,000.
But if you call this number and contact with Mr. Principal, yeah, you will get.
Only $2.99.
And if you are the first 60 people contact us, you will get a brand new iPhone 5 for free.